Hello, today we have this KRAFT branded marine lock, padlock, and it was only €1.50 from Top Money. It's like hardware store in Finland. So yeah, let's try to pick it and let's see how good is a lock that cost only €1.50. So yeah, there's your keyway. Can we use this? Maybe, and can we use this Go-So car pick? I don't know where my main pick set is now. So let's try to use the picks that we find. This may be too big. Yeah. Let's use this. And it's open. So yeah, I picked it with broken Chinese piece of shit pick, and for the tension tool I used this, which is hammered down and bent like steel rod that I ground with a angle grinder. So yeah, with these very simple tools that you can even make yourself, and this is pick that is broken off, so there's a little knob only there and it's very rough. So yeah, as you saw, even with them I could pick this KRAFT lock. So yeah, that's the video. So hit the like button if you like this video, hit the subscribe button if you really like the video. Bye.